Oh my gosh, he beat me to the truck this morning. Well, it's Sunday. It's race day in Mokan. Get ready to get headed on out. Go from there. See what he's up to. It's a dewy morning. We're making our stop. This is a Sunday morning, so typically we'll stop at Sonic and pick up some breakfast burritos. So actually my dad's over there right now, Sonic, getting us breakfast this morning. We're in a parking lot we're normally parked at, but there's some cars here and stuff like that. But so I asked him if he could go over there. I don't think this place is open, but didn't want to take a chance leaving the truck here unattended. Anyway, so we're making progress to get up to Mokan and get some racing done today. So 3 more to go. Are you done? I said, are you done? How'd you get that underneath there?
Threw it.
You can throw it that far?
All of it up, throw it.
Okay. I think we're all ready to go. Got all warmed up, gassed. Let's see how things go. Watch out. No, mine's going here. Huh? Mine.
Sorry about that.
He doesn't have a horn.
I'm in La La Land.
You're fine, thanks.
I don't.
Yeah, he found it. We got Christmas plates for lunch. Okay, we just completed the second round of qualifying. Was trying to make a consistent pass, and that car actually slowed down a little bit on the second pass. It's very hot here. The track is very warm, so the 60 foot fell off on it. So we're expecting that it's just the track getting hotter, which typically does happen like that. So we're going to dial for the slowdown for this one. If we go later in rounds and the track gets tighter, we'll just dial up for it, make it quicker. So anyway, thought you guys give you an update, and that's what we're going to be doing. Had a great light. He had a poor light. Car actually picked up a little bit. but I actually lost it there at the stripe. I had a pretty good lead on him. I took 04 stripe on him. I broke out by 1, so I could have backed into him a little bit more, but I didn't. So that was my fault. Get you an update. Last round, we did not catch a good break. I'm backing the trailer up, talking at the same time. Did not have a good light. The other guy had a 13 against my 42, I think what it was. Car actually lost 2, which in bracket racing, that's terrible. So we dialed it and it did not run its number even close to it. So anyway, we're gonna go home and get the car ready for a converter swap, hopefully, and do some testing with it. Go from there. So other than that, we're on the way home and go from there. Better get my seatbelt on. Okay. We're getting ready to go roundabout. If people don't know what a roundabout is, this is what a roundabout is. It has no stop signs, just a bunch of yield signs. So, kind of look to the left. Going around about in a trailer, so can't go as fast as we wanted to. There you go. That's a roundabout. Well, made it back home. A little over 2 hours, 15 minutes. I think our travel time here. But anyway, I'm gonna get the trailer put away, get the truck put away, get everything put away. Not going to clean up anything until the next day, but should get the converter this week. Then we'll pull the car back out, change the converter and all that stuff, and see if we can't get some more testing in. See when the next day we're going to do that. But for right now, no bracket racing next weekend. The weekend after we got a race, so we got about 2 weeks. Be ready to go again. Hopefully we get the test a week before the real race is. So anyway, not the day we wanted or I wanted, but it's the first race of the season, so there's plenty more races this year. So I'm gonna try again the next race and see how that goes. But anyway, hope you enjoyed today what I showed you. Did a little more recording. Wish I had some more, but overall it's pretty good. But anyway, if you like, please hit that like button and please subscribe to my channel. So we'll be talking to you next time.